10th Physical Science. Lesson is refraction at curved surfaces. Topic is problem given here. A bird is flying down vertically towards the surface of water in a pond with constant speed. There is a fish inside the water. If the fish is exactly vertically below the bird will appear to the fish to be. This is a problem. So, four options are given here. Farther away than its actual distance, closer than its actual distance, moving faster than its actual speed, moving slower than its actual speed. So, first we observe the diagram here. Object is in the radar medium. Object means bird. So radar medium means air. So all these are called air. So in the air object is there and water is there. So water is called denser medium. So inside the denser medium fish is there. So from the bird or from the object, two light rays goes towards the water, but here one ray is not deviated and another one is deviated. Deviated means bent away. So the refracted ray reaches to the eyes of the fish. So here we draw the normal here. The refracted ray goes towards the normal in the denser medium. Next, when we extended these refracted rays back towards the bird, so here we see the formation of image of the bird here. So when we extend the refracted rays, the point which meet is formation of image. Okay. Next one, we see the N1 in the rarer medium and N2 in the denser medium. So here we see the incident rays coming from the bird and reach to the fish. So which of four options are true and how can we prove? So here formula is there. For refraction at plane surface, N1 by U is equal to N2 by V. This is a formula for refraction at plane surface. N1, N2. N1, N2 are a refractive indices of air and water respectively. For air, N1 value is equal to 1, N2 is equal to N for water. So N1 value is 1 and N2 value N for water. Okay. Next, U is equal to, U means distance of the bird from water surface. V is equal to distance of the image of the bird from the water surface. So in the diagram also here we can see the x minus x, the distance between the bird to fish, the distance minus x, the image distance minus y, object distance minus x, image distance minus y. So why we given the sign convention minus minus? Why? Because when the incident rays are coming towards the down and the measurements are taken opposite to the incident ray. So here the minus sign given here. So when we observe the diagram, object and image are both of them are in the air and fish is only water. Therefore, the distance from the object to water is minus x. The distance from the image of water is minus y. So, u is equal to object distance minus x. V means image distance minus y. And n1 value 1, n2 value n. Substituting the values in the given formula below, n1 by u is equal to n2 by v. So n1 means 1, u means minus x. n2 means n, v means minus y. So when we multiply all these sum, we get the y is equal to nx. So here n greater than 1. Hence y greater than x. So image distance is greater than x. So the option A is correct. So in 4 options is there. So first one A is correct. Further away than its actual distance. Next one, as y is greater than x, we can conclude that the speed of the bird observed by the fish is greater than its actual speed. So the speed also greater than its actual speed. So option C is correct. Okay, so here moving faster than its actual speed.